What's up YouTube? I made a purchase with my credit builder card through CHIME, and I'm actually going to be showing you guys the purchase. Since it is Christmas, I couldn't upload the video earlier. So what's today's date? Today is actually the 11th, December 11th, 11:45 a.m. So I couldn't upload this video at that point in time just because, you know what I mean, this is a Christmas gift. So with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to CHIME, you guys can download CHIME right now. They're actually giving you guys $75 for downloading CHIME. You go ahead and connect your direct deposit. You'll get paid 2 days earlier. No transaction fees. There's no other extra fees, banking fees, you know, account fees to have the account. It's strictly free, you know what I mean, strictly free. If you are working, just connect your direct deposit. So with that being said, like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys please subscribe. I got a package here, as you guys can see. Merry Christmas, boom. The package is here. And if you guys having a good day, I really hope you guys having a good day. If you guys haven't opened your presents yet, or whatever you guys doing, spending time with your family, hope you guys enjoy yourself, have a blessed day, and we'll get into this unboxing. Like I said, it's December 11th here, but you guys are watching this on Christmas. So I'm really like talking to the future. It's crazy. I'm talking to the future right now. Let's sink in real quick. I'm talking to the future. I'm 2 weeks ahead of you guys right now. Literally 2 weeks. So depending on where you see this, whether it's Christmas, the day before, whatever, I don't know when I'm gonna release this, whenever YouTube upload this. But yeah, we got the unboxing here, and I used my credit builder card to purchase this product. And if you, like I said, if you guys want to download CHIME, go ahead, be my guest. They giving you guys $75 just for downloading it. But yeah, got this going off. So let's go ahead and get this open. Boom. If you guys use CHIME out there, or like use your debit card, credit card, like when did you purchase? Did you reach your 40 purchases? Like when did you purchase with this? So we got this unboxing here, which is a box inside of a box. It's a box inside of a box. So we got that going. And inside they gave us $80 off plus free shipping on your first box. Green Chef. We don't need that. Boom. Got this here. And it looks like there's like maybe an easy way to open it. Boom. 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 That's cool, right? That's cool. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. You know what I mean? Like I said, it is Christmas, so I'm throwing nothing but positive vibes at you guys. Nothing but positive vibes. I want everybody to be, you know what I mean, living a good, healthy life, wealthy, healthy life. We got this box right here. Boom. What's up with the iPhones, man? You just can't set the iPhones anywhere. You set an iPhone down and it just slides wherever it's at. You know what I mean? That's my phone. I'm going to look at my screen. Hopefully my screen is not cracked. You know what I mean? But the iPhones are still like slippery, slidey. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, landing on the back. Look at that. This is a screen protector though, so I'm going to have to get another screen protector. But yeah, considering this is, like I said, a Christmas gift, I'm not gonna open it fully, but I will show you guys the box and stuff like that. So this is how it came. Add the little strip, goes all the way around. Don't need that. Can we get a drum roll, please? Boom, this is the iPad. That's the iPad. The HomePod Mini. So many iPads, iPhones. This is the HomePod Mini. I must say, it looks crazy right here. You see how the text is? Boom. But we actually have it right there too. Looks way better right there. This is the HomePod Mini. As you guys know, they have the bigger HomePod where it's actually this is actually should be wireless. I'm not wireless, but you should be able to take it places, you know what I mean? The bigger HomePod, you actually had to keep plugged in, you know what I mean? So like you couldn't just unplug it and use it, you had to keep it plugged in. This one is actually different. You actually don't need to do that. And like I said, I use my credit builder card for this. And how the credit builder card works is you're using your own money with the credit builder card, but that money that's being spent, it goes right to the credit bureaus. So every single month, whatever amount you use on your credit builder card, it goes right to the credit bureaus, whether it's you spend $50, $60, $70, $100, it's going to be reported. And I purchased this, so I'm actually glad it came in. I ordered this on Black Friday, so I ordered this about 2 weeks ago, you know what I mean? And surprisingly, it's just now coming in. There was a lot of holds on my package. I really don't know why there was a lot of holds, but there's a lot of holds on my packages. And it's finally here, you know what I mean? I've been waiting for this. Like I said, it's been Black Friday, it's been about 2 weeks, so it's finally here. And yeah, this is actually sold out right now, so if you guys try to get it, I don't know if they're gonna restock by the time you guys see this video, but right now, as far as December 11th, they are sold out, you know what I mean? They have been sold out everywhere. You can check Apple, you know what I mean, Best Buy, online, everywhere, they're sold out. The resale value for these go crazy. So for me to actually have get my hands on one, insane, you know what I mean? And like I said, considering this is a gift, I'm not gonna go ahead and open it. I'm going to keep it wrapped up, and I'll read you guys a little bit what this says. Is the HomePod Mini Siri helps you get things done from anywhere in your room. Enjoy amazing sound with Apple designed audio. Experience multi-room audio with AirPlay 2. Pair 2 HomePod Mini speakers for stereo sound. So you can link up 2 of these together, and I guess they'll play back to back. They'll link up and they'll play the same song, whether, you know what I mean, they'll play the same song, videos, or whatever you're doing. So you can actually have 2 or 3 of these around the house or in the same room, and you'll get that experience. Now with Apple, they have their own audio, as they mentioned, so they've actually been into the, you know what I mean, the speakers and sound and stuff like that. So they actually have their own sound, and I'm interested in seeing what this actually sounds like, you know, because Apple, you know, the devices, like they're bringing the heat, you know what I mean? They're bringing the heat. So for them to actually be able to put it in a pod, you know what I mean, make it a little bit smaller and still bring that sound, still bring that next level sound. Salute to y'all, man. If you guys have the HomePod, let me know as well. If you guys interested, let's get like 20 likes on this video. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Just like that, we signing out.